Friends, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction of stellar XLM. So before starting this video, kindly subscribe my channel and complete my 2k subscriber. Thank you so much for subscribing my channel. Let's see the live price prediction of stellar XLM cryptocurrency. Last 1 hour what's going on the stellar. As you can see here, that is the live price prediction. 0.7% going up, as you can see here, and the high price of the cryptocurrencies of Zeneca as you can see here, the chart is going downward, so it's the dumping time of the XLM cryptocurrency start now, so it's the best time to sell it and make a good profit. That's the live price prediction of last 2 hours, and now the current price of the XLM cryptocurrencies as 0.368899 as the stellar XLM current price. Let's see